Hey, this is Miss Sanders coming to you with another video for your test practice. This is part C of the questions that I want to work out for you that will help you pass your exam on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, which I believe is October the 11th and 12th. So these are your griddable responses. Number 9, Stephanie can swim 6 laps in 24 minutes. The number of laps she swims is directly proportional to the amount of time she swims. What is the constant of proportionality that relates to the number of laps to the total number of minutes that she swims? So first they want us to find the constant of proportionality, which is K. And the order that they want us to put that in is the number of laps to the number of minutes that she swims. So now I'm going to write this down because they gave me this in the problem. They gave me the number of, the number of minutes here, and then they gave me the laps here. So laps represent 6, minutes represent 24. And now I need to simplify this. These are both divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. But notice I have a griddable, which means I need to convert this fraction to a decimal. So in our other previous video, we have to divide top of this fraction, or the numerator inside, bottom outside. But some of you might know this by heart, but just in case you don't, 4 can't go into 1, but I can add a decimal 0, bring the decimal up. 4 can go into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract and you get 2. I'm going to bring down a 0 because I have a remainder. 4 into 20 is 5. And so that means that my decimal is 0.25. And remember how to mark these on a griddable response. If you don't, please look at the previous video. 0.25. It goes after the decimal. You can add the 0 if you would like. And this is a positive number. Remember, the response does not count unless you shade it in. So here is my answer, 0.25, which also represents 1/4. Let's look at the next one. The cost to hire a dog trainer varies directly with the amount of time spent training the dog. Shamar spent $425 on 17 hours of obedience training for his dog. Alexis wants to use the same dog trainer for her dog, Duke, but she only has $200 to spend. How many hours of training can she get for Duke? So we're going to set this up as the amount of money spent, which is $425 on Shamar's side, over the amount of hours, which is 17. So I need to figure out what Duke, so we know a cost, but we don't know the time. So I'm going to solve this proportion. We're going to inverse operation, and we're going to do 200 times 17 equals 425 times x. 200 times 17 is 3,400 equals 425. And then you're going to divide 425 into 3,400. This cancels, and x equals 8. And I would do my long division to figure that out. 8 is a whole number, so 8 should be written here and then bubbled here so that I make sure I get my credit. And of course, it's a positive number. I hope you've learned griddables. Rewind this as many times as you need to. Bye.